Cropland 4331 ES. This is an enlist variety at 4.3 with STS tolerance. So we see this as a huge fit here in this Kansas market, and really we saw a lot of success with this past year. It's an STS product that will move north of zone, so you could cheat this north a little bit farther than you would typically use a 4.3 maturity. The other thing that we like with this is the frog eye tolerance. So it comes in at a 2 rating for frog eye, also very good on stem canker. Now SDS, we're getting our ratings on it this year, so we'll have ratings for you on SDS. So far it's looked acceptable, but I don't know if it's going to be called elite from an SDS standpoint. Now, last year we tested this variety as 9E42. So if you can look at last year's answer plot data where our EXPs were in it, this was in there as 9E42. How did it perform? Fantastic. In the state of Kansas, it was number 7 overall, coming in at 104% mean. But when you look at the core areas we would use this, Hiawatha, number 1 yielding variety. Wamego, number 1 yielding variety. So 2 core areas for us in this eastern half of the state. It was the number 1 yielding variety in our answer plot trial. So I think that's awesome. When you look at the canopy type, just beautiful, nice height, intermediate canopy, gray bean with white flowers. So a little bit of unique from a germplasm standpoint. Let's come on in, take a look here. This thing is packed with pods. Just look down in here. Love it. A lot of pods here, a lot of yield potential. I think this is going to do what it did for us this past year. So we got a variety that can take some stress, but really has some top end yield potential. Again, this is Cropland 4331 ES. Does have the STS tolerance for it. So get a hard look at this variety.